How can you send an empty message on the iPhone? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything. There are a lot of services or, places where they require you to send an empty message. But on the iPhone, when you go to a new chat or type in an actual recipient, you cannot just send anything unless you type something in. So how could you send an empty message? And the process is very simple. All you have to do is just to tap on the space bar once, and you don't type anything in, you just add one space there, and it's now technically a message. So just tap the space bar once, the send button is going to appear, and you can just send it, and it's going to be exactly an empty message, right? Nothing is the content, only one space which is not even visible. So that is the simplest way to do it. Obviously you can send a dot or something, but that wouldn't be totally empty, so the space bar is probably the perfect option for that. So I would really appreciate your feedback if you like this type of quick tutorials and tips about some random topics about your devices. Then subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos as well.